Here we come to the elevators at the Gibb Gilchrist building at Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas. These are Dover Impulse from 1999. This is a late Dover install.
Interesting.
Three. Obviously, you can't hear the motor oil over that fan, but I do like that tray lighting though. This is a very late Dover install from 1999, the same year when Thyssen purchased Dover, which it became Thyssen-Dover until 2001, when it became Thyssen-Krupp. These are Dover Impulse fixtures, everyone's favorite. We're gonna switch elevator cars right across from it. All right, let's call the other one now. Oh, here it is. All right, the fan is not allowed on this one. We might stop on the way down. Oh, never mind. This one's a lot darker than the other one. I wonder how many Dover elevators here on the Texas A&M's campus. There's like a ton of Dover elevators at Texas A&M. It is incredible. Anyways, let's see if we're able to hear the motor both going up and down without any interruption. Number one. Wait for it to finish chiming. At least the fan is not as loud as like the other elevator. Anyways, there it goes. And that's it.